Almost 2 years ago, I made this video. It got clipped off here, but it said, should you invest in Palantir? And back then it was $7.38 per share. Palantir's earnings just came out, and I'm looking at it now. The stock is almost $47. Now, it closed at $41.41, and now, like I said, it's almost 47. That's a massive jump on really strong earnings. I'm reading from my screen a little bit because I'm too lazy to do the whole screenshot thing, so bear with me. But the analyst consensus for revenue for quarter four was expected to be $744 million, but they came in somewhere right now, ballpark of $767 to $771 million. U.S. revenue grew 44% year over year and 14% quarter over quarter to $499 million. U.S. commercial revenue grew 54% year over year and 13% quarter over quarter to $179 million. U.S. government revenue grew over 40% year over year and 15% quarter over quarter to $320 million. Revenue grew 30% year over year and 7% quarter over quarter to $726 million. Palantir closed 104 deals over $1 million. Their customer count grew 39% year over year and 6% quarter over quarter. I mean, no matter how you slice it, it's just grew, beat. This was an excellent earnings report. Cash equivalents in U.S. short-term treasuries are around $4.6 billion. Cash from operations are $420 million. And listen to this. Palantir on Monday raised their annual revenue forecast for the third time, betting on strong spending from governments and rising demand for its software services business looking to adopt generative AI technology. This is huge. Previously, for 2024 revenue, they were expecting somewhere in a range of like $2.7 billion. Now they're expecting $2.8 billion in revenue. It also says the company is among the largest beneficiaries of a rally in AI-linked stocks, with its shares up more than 140% this year alone. Not that my videos are financial advice, but if you had purchased the stock when my video came out, when it was $7.38, and it is currently around 47 today, you would be up 536% on your investment. I don't say you should smash that follow because I pick winners and if you follow me, you'll get rich. But you definitely should follow me because we break down the process and I let you see for yourself whether you think it is a worthwhile investment or not. I cover a lot of stocks and a lot of the should you invest in videos, you might say, this isn't looking so good. I also don't say that you should follow me because I'm rich, but I did start buying Palantir all the way back in 2021. I bought it in the low 20s and then around $8 and $9. It is $47 today. Now I know what a lot of people are saying out there. Oh man, I didn't see your video in 2023 and I didn't research the stock and I never bought it. Is it too late now to buy it? So let me show you a really easy way to do your own research. And by the way, it is 100% free. People say like, oh, I'm not like the other girls. Well, I'm not like the other finance bros on this platform who say they're here to help you, but they're really here to profit off of you. Take a look. All you got to do is go right here and click on the menu, which is right here, and you will find this template. And this is what the template looks like. If you click right here, it's clickable so you can fill it in. And if you're sitting there going, man, I don't know how to do all of this, don't worry because there are multiple videos here that walk you through the process. All right, if you want to learn how to invest for free, make sure you smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.